Hello students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel NCERT on Go. I hope you all are doing well and perfectly utilizing this quarantine time. As you all know that we are working on the series of extra questions and I have already provided you extra questions from some of the chapters of your English and Hindi subjects specifically for class 9th and 10th. If you want to see or check out those questions, guys, you can visit the playlist on my YouTube channel NCERT on Go. So moving towards students, today I'm gonna provide you extra questions of your second chapter from English subject of class 9th. So students, as you all know that the chapter is basically covers two parts. The first part is the sound of music, which is the life story of a girl who was profoundly deaf, and the chapter basically covers her life story, her struggles and everything. The second chapter is the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. This is the life story of Khan Saab, Ustad Bismillah Khan, who was a master of Shehnai. So students, today I'm going to provide you extra questions of your very first part, and for rest of the extra questions of second part I will upload a second video. So students, starting with your extra questions of your very first part, the sound of music, here I am with my very first question. What was wrong with Evelyn Glennie? Answer is, she was profoundly deaf. Profoundly means extremely, means she was completely deaf. Question number 2, when was her deafness first noticed? Answer is, her deafness was first noticed at the age of 8. I want to tell you something important here, that I have provided age related questions. Total 3 questions I have provided. So it is very important कि आपको age याद रखनी है. Question number 3 is, at what age did Evelyn go to the Royal Academy of Music in London? She went there at the age of 17. Question number 4 is, what was Evelyn's special field of interest? You all know that she was interested in music. It can be in the form of MCQ. Okay, next question is, at what age was Evelyn's deafness confirmed? It was confirmed at the age of 11. Her deafness first noticed at the age of 8. It was confirmed at the age of 11. Okay? And she went to the Royal Academy of Music in London at the age of 17. Okay students, so here I have 6 questions. How did Ron Forbes ask Evelyn to hear music? Answer, he asked Evelyn to hear music not through her ears but through other parts of the body. He meant to say that if you can't hear, don't bother about it. You should feel the vibrations of the music through different parts of your body. So this way he suggested her the way to feel the music. Question number 7 is, at what age did Evelyn visit the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra? At the age of 16 years. I hope आपको याद हो गई होंगी because मैंने 2-3 times repeat कर दिया है. Question number 8 students I have, what award did Evelyn win in 1991? Answer is, in 1991 she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Question number 9 is, which train was Evelyn waiting for on the underground platform? How did she feel when she sensed the train approaching? On the underground train platform, Evelyn was waiting for a train to London because she had to join the prestigious Royal Academy for Music. As she sensed the train approaching means coming towards her, she felt both nervous and excited as there was huge crowd on the platform. Okay students, so next question I have, what advice were the parents of Evelyn given once her deafness was confirmed? Firstly, when the deafness of Evelyn was confirmed by a specialist, he said, or I can say her parents were advised to get hearing aids for their daughter, through which she will be able to hear. They were also advised to send her to a special school where only deaf children were taught. Everything suddenly looked dark. Why does Evelyn say so? She felt as if she will not be able to do anything. सो इस लाइन का क्या मतलब है? When Evelyn was advised to use hearing aids and join the school for the deaf, she felt that her future was bleak. Bleak means colorless and dark. She was depressed as her hopes for great achievements seemed to have vanished. सो उन्होंने सोचा कि मेरी सारी लाइफ ब्लैंक हो चुकी है, सब कुछ ख़त्म हो चुका है, सब कुछ लाइफ में से वैनिश हो चुका है. शी हैड नाउ बिकम अ डिसेबल्ड चाइल्ड who could not have easy access to normal life. She thought that I don't have a normal life because I can't hear. So students, next question I have. How did Evelyn Glennie respond to the discovery of her deafness? On learning about her deafness due to gradual nerve damage, this was the reason why she was having that problem. Evelyn Glennie, instead of giving up, decided to lead a normal life like other children and pursue her dream of learning music. ये सोचना बहुत ही मुश्किल बात है कि जब आप म्यूज़िक सुन ही नहीं सकते, सो हाउ यू वुड बी एबल टू सेट अ करियर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड. अगर आप म्यूज़िक सुन ही नहीं सकते, अगर आप इफ़ यू वांट टू प्ले अ इंस्ट्रूमेंट, अगर आप उसके नोट्स सुन ही नहीं पाओगे तो आप उन्हें बजाओगे कैसे? सो उन्होंने एक आई कैन से शी अचीव्ड अ रियली बिग थिंग कि शी वॉज profoundly deaf, yet she was able to achieve each and everything. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने गिव अप नहीं किया अपनी डेफनेस को. जब नोटिस हुई, उन्होंने सोचा कि आई विल फाइट विद दिस एंड आई विल लिव अ नॉर्मल लाइफ लाइक अदर पीपल लिव. सो स्टूडेंट्स, विच क्वालिटीज of character enabled Evelyn to move ahead in life? Unfaltering का मतलब होता है growing gradually at a regular rate. उनका unfaltering determination and hard work enabled Evelyn to move ahead in life without looking back. Instead of yielding before her handicap, she decided to overcome it and lead the life of a normal person. Being a workaholic means who loves to do work. She put in her earnest efforts and kept advancing further and further. उन्होंने कभी भी हार नहीं मानी, उन्होंने अपनी डिसेबिलिटी को कभी भी उसके आगे घुटने नहीं टेके. She thought that yes, I can do this. और जो पर्सन अपनी लाइफ में ऐसा सोच लेता है वो कर ही लेता है. चाहे आप ये चीज़ आजमा के देख लीजिए. अगर बच्चों आप हार्ड वर्क करते हो, आप सोचते हो कि यस मुझे इस साल 90% लेनी है, मुझे कोई रोक नहीं सकता, और फिर आपको उस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ में पढ़ते टाइम आपको इंटरेस्ट आने लग जाता है. तो जब आप उस इंटरेस्ट में पढ़ने लग जाते हो तो आप क्या देखते हो, एंड रिजल्ट आपके 90% आ जाते हैं. सो उन्होंने यही किया. उन्होंने वो वर्कaholic थी, उन्हें बहुत इंटरेस्ट था अपने म्यूज़िक में, अपने काम में. उन्होंने अपने 100% एफर्ट्स डाले हर चीज़ में और वो आगे फर्दर बढ़ती गई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 स्टूडेंट्स आई हैव. How is Evelyn an inspiration for the handicapped people? ये भी that's an important question. Evelyn's achievements gained through her continuous or unfaltering determination and hard work set an example before other handicapped people. They gain confidence from her example and believe that they too can achieve their goals in life by overcoming their disabilities with firm determination. और भी डिसेबल पीपल को वो बहुत इंस्पायर करती हैं. दैट इफ़ अ डेफ लेडी और आई कैन से अ गर्ल कैन अचीव और एक्सेल हर करियर इन म्यूज़िक, वाई कांट वी डू एनीथिंग? वाई कांट वी डू? वी कैन डू एंड वी विल डू. सो शी इंस्पायर्स thousands of people. So students, here I have long question. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. Remarks Evelyn Glennie. What does it reveal about her character? उन्होंने ये स्टेटमेंट दी कि आप वर्क हार्ड करते हो और आपको अगर पता है ना आपका पाथ क्या है, आपको क्या करना लाइफ में, तो आप वो अचीव ज़रूर कर लेते हो. इससे हमें उनके क्या कैरेक्टर के बारे में पता चलता है. और विच ट्रेट्स ऑफ एवलिन्स पर्सनैलिटी enabled her to overcome the challenges of deafness. बेसिकली इस क्वेश्चन में उनकी क्वालिटीज़ और पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेट्स को ही हमें शो करना है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज विच वैल्यूज ऑफ लाइफ स्ट्रेंथन्ड एवलिन अगेंस्ट द हैंडीकैप ऑफ हर डेफनेस. वट डज हर करियर टीच टू द हैंडीकैप पीपल. अगेन द सेम क्वेश्चन. सो आंसर टू ऑल द अबव क्वेश्चन इज Evelyn's firm determination, her industrious means a hard-working nature, and her clarity of aim are well revealed in her statement. इस statement से हमें पता चलता है, if she herself is giving this statement that if you guys you know your path, it means she herself was very determined. She has her clarity of views. These values of her character have enabled her to overcome her handicap of deafness very bravely. Although she developed hearing impairment at a young age of 8 only, she has never let it become a stumbling block in her way to success. Very early age. Firmly determined to lead the life of a normal person, Evelyn never gave up her passion for music. The encouragement and training provided by Ron Forbes paved the way for her advancement, and she stuck to the path with staggering confidence. Why we have said her confidence as staggering means surprising. मीन्स लोगों को विश्वास ही नहीं होता था कि वो डेफ हैं. मीन्स उनको स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करते हुए दैट हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट वॉज शी, लोगों को विश्वास ही नहीं होता था. सो दैट कॉन्फिडेंस वॉज सरप्राइजिंग. इट वॉज दिस कॉन्फिडेंस एंड फेथ इन हर सेल्फ दैट मेड हर डेयर टू ऑडिशन फॉर द रॉयल अकेडमी ऑफ म्यूजिक लंदन, वेयर शी रिसीव्ड द टॉप मोस्ट अवार्ड्स. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope the content will be useful for you. Please do like and share to my videos if you find the content useful, and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I will upload a new video. And moreover students, if you want extra questions of any other chapter or from any other subject, do comment in the comment section. And one more thing, I want to inform you that I will come up with a vocab session in which I will help you to learn vocab through tricks. So that session will be very helpful for you. If you want to join this session, do visit or check out my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.